Mondstadt welcomes you. Have you heard? The Storm Terror crisis.
Storm Terror crisis. Did something terrible happen again? Hey, here! Over here! I'm all set up. Let's carry on with the exam. Same deal as before. Glide through the markers and get to the finish without stopping in the middle. Seems like you've got the hang of wind gliding now. Let's do the final stage. Easy! You've flown this way before anyway! Once you've passed this final stage, you'll finally be able to get your Just keep thinking about that license. Ready?
Windborne Traveler, you are required to land at once by the order of the Knights of Favonius. I am Otto of the Knights of Favonius.
What's going on?
Please, show me your gliding license. It is against the law to glide without a license. I am arresting you under Section 7, Article 12 of the Mondstadt Penal. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will forever carry on.
Wait, I'm an instructor. This is a gliding exam.
Oh, I see. Well, you picked a bad time to hold your gliding exam.
Really? Why?
The Knights of Favonius received a report from a sister at the cathedral claiming she saw Raptor gliding around these parts. I thought your student here must have been his partner in crime.
Raptor? Who's that?
A known criminal in Mondstadt. He always uses a wind glider to commit his crimes, so...
Wow, he flies fast then.
So far, we haven't managed to catch him. Our plan this time was to draw him into the cathedral with a precious artifact. An ambush, but he escaped with the artifact. Fortunately, one of the sisters put some secret markings on the artifact using... But he was too fast, and we couldn't even keep up with the trail the mark...
Well, if you need help chasing down a gliding criminal, I'm the one for the job. So tell me.
As far as I know, he was last seen near Springvale. But that was some time ago.
Leave it to me. With us chasing him down together, he doesn't stand a chance. Once we've got this raptor guy, we'll pick up where we left off. But no need to worry. I'll be sure to This is Springvale. There must be some clues about Raptor around here. The sister from the cathedral put some secret animal markings on the artifact he took.
Use your elemental sight and keep your eyes peeled for clues. Ooh, hey, what do you think this is?
It looks like a broken tree branch.
Oh, Paimon knows. It's from a frame of a wind glider. Therefore...
There are no elemental traces on it. It looks like it's just a plain old tree branch. A strip of cloth with animal markings on it. Looking at the design and the way it's woven, there's a good chance it came from a wind glider.
Wow, Outriders have to be textile experts now? It's a harder job than Paimon thought.
If this really belongs to Raptor, it must mean his wind glider is broken.
by raptor or an animo slime.
Animo slimes are airborne creatures. They don't leave marks on the ground unless someone stomped on one to take off.
How do we know if this was left by raptor or an animo slime?
Either way, let's make a mental note of these markings. It appears that the elemental markings point...
Huh. Well, do you think he ran off ahead?
There's only one way to find out. Come on, we should keep following the marking.
Ooh, what's that? Looks like something's going on up ahead.
It sounds like there's a battle going on. Could that be quick? Let's keep going.
Wind blade!
Thank goodness, the Knights of Favonius have arrived. The hilly trolls won't dare pursue me any longer.
What happened?
I can't believe it, but the hilly trolls
Hilly churls? But I thought the Knights of Favonius had cleared out...
It's a small camp not too far from the village. The route I take on my but today, some crazy...
Now, who does that?
Oh, it really riled them up. I managed to get away, but they smashed my fruit carts to smithereens.
Funny looking. In what way?
He was holding on to something. Must have been heavy because he couldn't glide in a straight line to save. Honestly, people like that shouldn't be allowed in the skies. It doesn't take a genius to know you're not supposed to.
Heavy object? The artifact? This could well be... Tell me, did you see which way he went?
I managed to catch a glimpse as I ran from the hilly churls.
Seems like a strong lead. On with the chase! Oh, and don't worry. As soon as I get back, I'll tell the knights to mop up the rest of the...
Wind blade!
Another test subject. Freeze! Freeze! Suffocate! Freeze! Freeze! I got careless. Freeze!
You're in for a little shock.
Suffocate! Freeze! Suffocate!
Get him!
You're open!
Don't be such a brute. Come a little closer.
Suffocate! Freeze!
Let it rain. Go, Baron Bunny!
Apart from the hilly churls, there's a bunch of funny-looking people, too.
Judging from the type of wind gliders they've gone, I'd say this lot is with Raptor.
But if that's the case, what are they hanging around here for? Huh. Look where we are.
The elemental power on the art... Raptor must have realized the markings would get... That way when the effect were... He won't get away... But we also haven't found the artifact, which means Raptor still has it on him. Forget these guys. Come on, let's keep following the elemental markings.
Disappear!
I must leave no stone unturned. Get him!
Wind blade!
Go, Baron! Leave it all to me. As a good knight should. No escape! Bet you can't keep up with me! That's cheating!
Surrender and I'll be gentle. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock.
There's only one way over there. Raptor must be up ahead. However, it looks like the only way we can—
But there's a ton of enemies below.
If we're gonna do this, we'll have to glide in. You still had one stage to go in your exam, right?
Yeah, but what's that?
How about we make this the third and final—
Are you sure that's how the exam is supposed—
It's a custom version of the exam, designed by yours. Besides, the normal version of the exam— So, what do you say? Woohoo! Good answer! Prepare for takeoff. Raptor awaits you once you defeat all these enemies. Then that gliding line—